Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College Lahore. I hope you all are fine and ready to learn. Today we will continue our unit number 2, Health and Safety. In our previous lesson, we learned about body machines. Our body works like a machine, like heart pump blood, lungs help us to breathe, and brain controls our body. In our previous lesson, we also learned about how can we look after our body. To keep our body healthy, we should eat healthy food, drink clean water, exercise daily, keep our body clean. प्यारे बच्चों, अपने जिस्म को सेहतमंद रखने के लिए हमें अच्छी ग़िज़ा खानी चाहिए, साफ़ पानी पीना चाहिए, रोज़ाना वर्जिश करनी चाहिए और सफाई रखनी चाहिए. Now let's start our new topic, staying safe. Dear students, सेफ रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इससे हम हादसात से बच सकते हैं. Staying safe means taking care of bodies and protecting ourselves. We should follow simple safety rules in our daily life. These rules help us to stay healthy and prevent accidents and injuries. Now we will discuss about animal safety. Animal can become dangerous if they feel scared or angry. We should never tease, hit or disturb animals. Frightened animals may scratch, kick or bite to protect themselves. It is important to stay calm and treat animals kindly and carefully. प्यारे बच्चों, कुछ जानवर खतरनाक भी हो सकते हैं, इसलिए हमें जानवरों को तंग नहीं करना चाहिए. This picture shows a boy standing very close to a cow. Cow has its head down and the boy is bending forward and holding his head, which shows he might be scared or confused. There is also a red sign in the corner which means this is wrong or unsafe behavior. The boy is standing too close to the cow. Always keep a safe distance from animals, respect animals and stay calm around them. Now we will discuss about safety from plants. We should not eat berries, fruits or nuts from plants that we do not know. Some plants are poisonous and can make us very sick. Always ask an adult before touching or eating anything from a plant. This picture shows a boy eating berries from a plant. The boy is picking red berries from a plant. He is putting the berries in his mouth without asking anyone. We should not eat unknown plants or berries. Some plants and berries are poisonous and they can make us very sick. हमें बिना पूछे कुछ भी नहीं खाना चाहिए. Water can be dangerous if we are not careful. We should never play near water without supervision. Always swim with someone, never swim alone. It is also important to not to swim right after eating a meal because it can make us feel uncomfortable. This picture shows a boy swimming in a pool while lifeguard is watching him carefully. The check mark means this is the correct and safe behavior, so always swim where a lifeguard is present. Never swim alone without supervision. Dear students, now we will discuss about food safety. Always wash your hands before eating. Eat slowly and chew food well. Do not eat uncovered or old food. प्यारे बच्चों, खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धोएं, आहिस्ता खाएं और अच्छे से चबाकर खाएं। खुला या पुराना खाना ना खाएं। Dear students, you know food gives us energy. Clean and healthy food keeps us safe from diseases. Look at the picture. In this picture, a young girl washing her hands properly. The check mark shows that this is the correct and good habit. Washing hands helps protect us from germs and diseases. Always wash your hands before eating food to stay clean, healthy and safe. Now we will discuss about machines and tools safety. Use machines and tools carefully. Never run with tools like scissors. Do not play with machines. प्यारे बच्चों, मशीनों और औजारों को एहतियात से इस्तेमाल करें और इनके साथ ना दौड़ें और इसके साथ मशीन के साथ नहीं खेलना चाहिए. Machines can help us, but they can also hurt us if we are careless. This picture shows a worker using a machine called jackhammer to break the ground. Worker is wearing safety equipment like a helmet and gloves. This keeps him safe while working. We should always wear protective gloves when working. Use tools carefully and properly. Now we will discuss about sound safety. Our ears are very sensitive. Loud sound can harm our ears. So dear students, do not shout in someone's ears. हमें किसी के कान में ज़ोर से नहीं चिल्लाना चाहिए. Do not put anything inside ears. और अपने कान में कोई भी चीज़ ना डालें. Do not use headphones too much. Now, dear students, clap loudly once to show how loud sound feels. Is loud sound good or bad? So it's a bad sound. So that's why we should not listen to very loud music. We should not shout near someone's ears, and we should not play with loudspeakers, and we should not use headphones at high volume. Now we will discuss about heat and electricity. Electricity is useful but very dangerous. Never touch wires or sockets. Do not put anything in sockets. Stay away from hot things like iron or stove. Electric shocks and heat can cause burns or injury. Always be careful. This picture teaches us an important electric safety rule for us. In this picture, an electric iron is plugged into a socket and the switch is on. The wire is lying loosely on the table and hand is close to the iron. This is wrong and unsafe behavior. Iron is an electric appliance that becomes very hot when switched on. Always switch off the iron after use. So dear student, do not touch our hot iron. Stay away from electrical items without any adult. So electricity is useful, but we must use it carefully and safely. Now we will discuss about light safety. Light helps us to see, but very bright light can harm our eyes. Do not look directly at the sun. Protect your eyes from strong light. तेज रोशनी आँखों को नुकसान पहुँचाती है, इसलिए एहतियात ज़रूरी है. This picture shows a girl protecting herself from the sun. She is wearing wide hat and sunglasses. Wear a hat and sunglasses when it is very sunny. So this keeps our skin and eyes safe. Now we will discuss about safety at home. Dear students, our home is a safe place, but sometimes we can get hurt if we are not careful. Look at the picture. The boy is picking up toys from the floor. This is good because toys left on the floor can make us slip and fall. Do not climb on furniture. You can fall and get hurt. Do not play rough games inside the house. Never leave toys or things on the floor. Keep your room clean and tidy. Be careful with sharp or hot things at home. Okay students, now let's start our concept check on page number 13. Please open your book, page number 13. Look at your book carefully and read the sentences. Number 1. Never look directly at the sun. Sun is bright and powerful. Looking at it can hurt our eyes and damage our eyesight. Number 2. Never run with scissors. You know, scissors are very sharp tools. Running with them can cause cuts or injuries to yourself or others. Always walk carefully while holding scissors. Number 3. Always wash hands before eating. Our hands carry germs and dirt, so wash hands before every meal. Number 4. Never swim alone. Dear students, swimming alone is dangerous. Always swim with an adult or a friend. These rules help us to stay safe, healthy and protected from harm. This is your homework. Complete this concept check in your book. So dear students, today we learned how to stay safe from animals, plants, water, food, heat, sound, electricity, machines and at home. Always remember, safety rules keep us safe, protect and healthy. Safety is very important in our daily life. Alright students, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for your attention and Allah Hafiz.